Oh hi! So today we're making spicy tuna musubi using Gold Sea's yellowfin tuna chunks in olive oil with chili. Let's go. Now take your tuna and drain about 2/3 of the oil. They use olive oil and bird's eye chili for this variant. Now I love using Gold Sea's premium tuna because it's 100% yellowfin tuna, no extenders, and there's no fishy aftertaste. Now add 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayo and a tablespoon of togarashi. Now give that a good mix until everything is well incorporated. Set that aside. In a separate bowl, add a cup of Japanese rice, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Give that a good mix and set aside. And now let's assemble our spicy tuna musubi, guys. Using a musubi mold, add a layer of rice at the bottom. Be sure to press this together so that the rice sticks. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of rice. And then add your layer of tuna. This is about 1 tablespoon of tuna. Press it down, and then we'll add our top layer of rice. Now be sure to press everything down together so that it sticks and it doesn't come apart. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? And then we'll take 2 sheets of nori and wrap the center so that we have something to hold. Press the sides with water so that it sticks. And now, let's eat, guys. Oh. Thank you. Go.